Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. Today we have two unboxings for you. The first one is unboxed by the Best Tech Swordfish. We're going to get through this real quick today. First one is a Kansept knife. The second one is once again, unboxed by the Best Tech Swordfish, is a Kershaw knife. Let's do the Kershaw first. This Kershaw is... Oh, I forgot, guys. I finally got the Bareknuckle. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking... Wow. So I got the Bareknuckle because everybody talks about the Bareknuckle. So I had to get the Bareknuckle. Centering perfect. Detent strong as fuck. Very, very nice. This, I get it. Like, I get why the Bareknuckle has the reputation it does. Although, I have to work with that detent. That detent is, honestly, probably the strongest detent I've ever felt. This is the Coup de Gras. What is this? Let's show you guys a Bareknuckle again. This is the... What version did I get? Jesus. I gotta fix that. That's fucking insane. I don't remember what version this is, and it doesn't show the blade steel on there, so... This is another Kansept. Oh, this is the Kansept HELLX. To put that in perspective, the Swordfish is freaking huge, and this HELLX is bigger. Look at that. You guys know that I love Kansept. You've seen it with the Kansept Cryo. Oh my god. Guys. Oh. Put that into perspective, so you guys just know. Here's the fucking Lord's strongest Kershaw Bareknuckle. Here is the Swordfish. That is how big this HELLX is. Oh my goodness, is this thing huge. Oh. Detent's perfect. This blade is obnoxious. So look how fat this blade is. I had no idea. Guys. I think I... Oh my goodness. I might have just messed myself. I am in... Like, I loved the Cryo. Oh no. This thing is awesome. The action is great. The centering is perfect. The back and forth blade play is fine. The up and down blade play is fine. Look at that. Out of the box. Watch this. Go on. Making an... Oh, I was holding the freaking tab. Watch this. Just obnoxious. I don't mean to overshadow the Bareknuckle, but good lord, this thing, I just had a stroke. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the Kansept HELLX, or HELLX, or however you, HILLX, according to Blade HQ, HELLX everywhere else. With a Kershaw Bareknuckle, which has fantastic ergonomics. I just wish it wasn't so tight. I'm gonna have to work with that. That flipper tab is stupid tight. But everything else, oh my god, guys. This is insane. Frickin' insane. The Kansept HELLX. Damage. War. Everything has started. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys have a great frickin' night.